Yo!
Hey, that was weird.
I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry, but what's up, y'all? What's good? We're back in old reliable with the POVs, okay? We're back in Blackie Bubble Butt. That's her name. For y'all that don't know, her name is Blackie Bubble Butt. She's old reliable and I love her. This tuned manual transmission G37. As of right now, we're stuck in traffic, so I was about to head to go somewhere to eat, and we're just literally stuck. So I was like, you know what? Why not just record a POV while I'm at it? You know what I'm saying? Talk to y'all, because I haven't recorded a POV since the official start date of summer, I believe. I don't think I've recorded not one POV since summer has started, which is crazy. I'm sorry, y'all. And if y'all are new to the channel, welcome. I appreciate y'all for popping out and just vibing with me. Y'all probably about to get ready to go to bed. I know a lot of people watch POVs when they're ready to go to bed and chill and, you know what I'm saying, wind down. But I appreciate y'all for coming in. For y'all that don't know, this is my Infiniti, my G37. I do also own a Jeep SRT. So first things first, I want to ask y'all, how has y'all summer been? How's y'all summer been? Let me know in the comments down below. Hopefully y'all had a eventful summer. Just hear her a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Hair Blackie bubble butt a little bit. What's she talking about? Anyways, y'all. Alright, Siri. Damn, nigga. Anyways, let me know in the comments down below some places y'all went for the summer. I know school just started probably officially a week ago or something like that. So alright, y'all, I'm back. My whole fucking camera just overheated, so I literally couldn't what the fuck is that sound? I need to check underneath this car, y'all. There's been something weird going on with my Infiniti. I think it's just a loose bolt on the exhaust sometimes. That it doesn't do it all the time, but when I start off in first gear, let's say I'm at a stop and I start off in first gear, if I'm to drive forward, it makes a weird sound, bro. Like it sounds like rattling. It might do it again right now. It didn't do it that time. I honestly don't know, bro. I have no clue. I have no clue what's going on, bro. Hopefully this car just stays Gucci until the Jeep is intact and reliable. See, it's not doing it now in first gear. That's weird. I don't know what it is. I think it has to be a bolt or something. I want to go underneath the car and see myself whenever I have time, but we'll see, man. But anyways, there's always, and when I say always at this time, traffic on this road, bro. I just don't get it, bro. And I tell you, there's never 9 times out of 10 there's no crash or nothing. It's just traffic. I just don't get it, bro. Honestly, I just don't get it at all. I'm gonna let this Tesla go in front of me. You know, I don't fuck with Teslas, but that one don't look that bad, body style wise. That's a decent looking one. I don't want this camera to overheat, but bro, imagine I was recording this summer. For y'all that know, bro, I'm sure it was everywhere else. It was literally a sauna everywhere this summer. Like, it was 90 plus degrees where I'm at, especially every single day. Feels like 100 something. Starting in, I think, June. It started in like late June, early July, bro. Like, it's been crazy. I'm not gonna complain about it because I'd rather be hot than cold for sure, but I'm a little bit sad that it just made the sound again. I don't know what that sound is, bro. I don't know if y'all will be able to hear in the video, but I'm enjoying the warm weather while we still have it, because fall is right around the corner. It is right around the corner indeed. Let's see. I don't want to drive like a thug. I don't want to drive like a thug right now, but I'm gonna try to be a little patient right now until we get to this bridge I'm trying to get to. Is that the rims? I ain't gonna lie, my rims been sounding real loud lately. Should I get that checked out? It might just be the road too, because this is freshly paved. I'm just, bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. If y'all think I'm paranoid, it's not my fault, because it's a good thing I'm always paranoid and listening to the car. Damn, this guy is speeding. Look at this dude. You're not going anywhere, pal. You're gonna have to brake, pal. But anyways, I've been listening so closely to all the cars, right? Like very, very closely to all my cars, and good thing I have, because if I didn't and I just didn't care, things could have been 10 times worse with a Jeep, especially. So, especially when this car, if it's moving low or sound a little bit off, I'm gonna be on that. You feel me? I'm most definitely gonna be on that. Alright, Miss Tesla driving real slow right now. I'm about to speed up in a second. Get on over. But hey man, in a little bit we should get a good little pathway where I can do some pops for y'all, so y'all can hear her spitting and shit. And y'all, while you're watching the video, just sit there. I know you're not doing nothing. Just sit there and pray for me. You feel me? Just because I've been going through a lot. I ain't gonna cap. I'm sure y'all have been too. So, a prayer, I appreciate y'all, will go a long way, bro. No cap. No cap at all, bro. And by the way, y'all, we are so, at the time I'm recording this video, we are so close to 1,000 subscribers on this page that it's crazy. I'm so thankful, bro. We're at like 960 at the time I'm recording, around there. So if we haven't hit 1,000 yet, you know what I'm saying, subscribe. And even if we did, subscribe up, you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna try to post a lot more consistent, like long form videos. I've been posting short form videos a lot, so I appreciate y'all for just sticking with me and just, you know what I'm saying, seeing me grow. I try to do a little bit of different things with the short form, the long form videos, so it's more engaging and whatnot. Also, give me some ideas y'all have, okay? Give me some ideas y'all have for future videos, what y'all want me to do, because I take that into consideration too, because we need some content. We need to push out some content for sure.
In 1, keep right toward Kentucky Avenue.
Are we taking this exit? Okay. This guy, this build is different right here for this car right in front of me. This is different indeed. Y'all mess with y'all F-150s and trucks. That's not my type of style though, I ain't gonna lie. It indeed is not my type of style, but to each his own. I ain't never hating on nobody build, unless it's something crazy, like disgusting, bro. Like we both know when someone writes the fuck out their car.
Kentucky Avenue. Then keep right to merge onto I-69 North.
Alright. Let's see. Once we get on this straightaway, I'm gonna do a little bit of sign, you know what I'm saying?
Right to merge onto I-69 North.
There's no traffic. But we should be good on the traffic aspect now. It's a beautiful day, man. I want to let y'all know, man, do not take anything you got going on for granted, because once you don't have it, you're gonna miss it. You know what I'm saying? That could be like your loved ones, your mom, your dad. You know what I'm saying? That could be that your video game system that you don't play much anymore. But you know what I'm saying? Anything that you own for real or have around you, don't take for granted, because it's just, that's something I've learned. And also to be very patient. Patience is a big one that I've learned lately.
In 7 miles, miles, take exit 7B onto State Road 66 West and Light Expressway.
Hold on. Oh, I love a bit of sound. But my question is, why do people just stick behind, like those group of people I just passed by? Why are they all right there? I'm not mad at it because I got to get through them, but they were just all chilling on 60. That's not, I guess I'm impatient, y'all. I guess at the end of the day I'm impatient, but I just can't do that, bro. Oh, hold on, this road is a little uneven. I hope it don't scrape. Let me get on over. Oh my gosh, this road is uneven as fuck. Uneven as fuck. Let me make sure we got a good angle still. Yeah, we Gucci right now. But yeah, one thing I would say about this car that I love is how durable and non-problematic this car has been for me, bro. I think the most major thing that has happened to me with this car that messed with its functionality was just after I got it tuned, it wasn't accelerating right, and whenever I'll put it in my pops and bang mode, I'll lose all throttle response. And then like earlier this year, actually, my serpentine belt flew off. That's the only bad thing that's happened to the car. And when you know what's crazy, those two correlate, the tuning issue and the serpentine belt, because as soon as I changed my serpentine belt, my tune has been perfect. Like whenever I do pops and bangs, it doesn't have to throw no engine warning lights, or I have not lost no throttle response at all. So the whole time, even after I was talking back and forth with the tuner was not able to help me, you feel me? But once that whole serpentine belt issue happened and I changed it, the car has been like 100% perfect. No issues, no lights, no flashing, no nothing. But I just didn't know, y'all. I mean, I talked to the tuner, the dude was not helpful. And that tuner was like 5 hours from me. I was not making that drive every single time. But hey man, at the end of the day, we got the issue figured out. But that's the only, like, that I can think about. That's the only mechanical, I guess you can say, issue I've had with this car, bro. So if y'all are looking at getting an Infiniti, a G37, a G35, bro, go ahead. Like, this car is very, very reliable. I want to see what exit we're taking at 7B. Is that the cop? Oh no. I love this car, man. One thing I want to learn how to do really good with this car is drift. That's what I want to learn how to do. I want to be on timing. I don't know. I want to have the wheel. You feel me? I really want to have the wheel and doing some crazy, you know what I'm saying? Some crazy stuff with this car. On a safe road, of course, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna do it with all the civilians and stuff, you know what I'm saying? But I want to learn how to drift, especially since this car is manual, bro. It will be lit for a fact. One time I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna tell y'all a story real quick, man. I'm gonna tell y'all a story real quick. I did one time attempt to drift. I ain't gonna lie, I almost macked, bro. I almost macked, bro. I almost, like, fucked this whole car around. But by the grace of God, I did not. I did not at all, and I was so happy. My heart was thumping. I thought I fucked up my rims. I thought, bro, it was just a little scrape on my rims and shit, but I was like, oh lordy, I'm never doing that again. My dumb ass took off traction control and tried to be nice, like I had the wheel or some shit. Nigga, I did not practice for shit.
And go past this exit.
And I almost baited, man. That would have been but yeah, ever since then I haven't really tried to drift, because especially if this is my only car, you feel me, if anything was to happen, I don't want to fuck it up.
Using to take exit 7B onto State Road,
You know what I'm
66 West and Lloyd Expressway.
But yeah, and for everybody that's in here right now, comment down below, do y'all know how to drive a manual car? Because a lot of people don't know. It's like a lost art nowadays. It is indeed a lost art nowadays, and it's a little bit crazy. Manual cars are so funny, dude. Like, it's literally like one of the most fun things you can drive. People will say and complain, oh, when you get in traffic it sucks. Nah, it don't. You just lazy as shit at the end of the day.
Stay 3 lanes.
Oh fuck, this is crazy. That brake right there is crazy.
Make a U-turn.
Why the fuck is it making me take a U-turn? Y'all hear that sound? I have no clue. It's like vibration, but I mean, it don't sound like nothing crazy. And stuff. Nice C8. See here? Wow. That's another C8. So it's in here. Okay. Say less. A little bit of pops for y'all, man. A little song for y'all. Y'all can tell me to shut up. My bad. I'm sorry. Y'all probably tired of me, but hey, man. I know I didn't get to pop it too crazy. Pause. No Diddy. That sounded crazy. I know I didn't get to pop it too much for y'all, but this was just a random, like, there you go, you heard a little, it was just a little, this was not planned. I ain't gonna lie, this POV was not planned, so if I was all over the place in this POV, I'm sorry. Hopefully y'all just vibe with me or whatever the case may be. But yeah, okay, BMW. Okay. Oh look, that sound turboed. That, I ain't gonna lie, that sound like it was turbo. Or the intake, one of them, intakes or turbo sounded crazy on that car. That sounded good as hell. But yeah, y'all have a great, amazing day, man. Night, evening, whatever time you're watching this video, man. And I just wish the best for y'all. Just keep on grinding, whatever it is that y'all are doing. Keep on striving for it. Don't give up, because once you give up, you admit defeat. So don't give up. Even if things don't look that good right now, the more consistent you are, the more you keep on going, and whatever it is y'all want to achieve, just be smart about it and just be consistent. You're gonna, it may take 10 years, it may take 1 year, it may take a few days, you know, just the timing.
I don't really care about nada. Young nigga popping a collar. She can be blunt like a scholar. I shoot it up, but I won't be a father.